Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota CHR battery. Before you begin, safety is paramount. Always wear protective gloves and eye protection to prevent any accidents. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. The 12-volt battery in your Toyota CHR is usually located conveniently under the hood, making it accessible for replacement. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Using a 10mm wrench, carefully loosen the nut on the negative terminal first. Once loose, gently remove the negative cable and ensure it's secured away from the battery to prevent accidental contact. Then, proceed to loosen and remove the positive terminal cable. Finally, detach any battery hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray, preparing it for removal. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully place the new 12-volt battery securely into the battery tray, ensuring it sits flat. Begin by reconnecting the positive terminal first, making sure it's snug and tight. Next, attach the negative terminal, tightening it firmly to establish a good connection. Finally, secure the battery in place using its hold-down clamp or strap to prevent any movement. Before you finish, perform a few final checks. Double-check all connections on both terminals to ensure they are tight and secure, preventing any loose contacts. Start your vehicle to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly and the engine turns over smoothly. Remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly at an authorized recycling center. For optimal performance, consider having your battery tested annually.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.